biggest way that this program has shifted my future is I will have a skill set that I'll be able to use throughout the rest of my life.
The CTE program here at Sheridan College is where students get hands-on learning in workshops, running CNC machines, framing walls, machine tool, diesel, welding, getting their hands on measuring instruments. It's hands-on from day one.
Welding is not something you can learn by just watching it. You got to be hands-on. That's how you're going to learn, because when you're doing it bead after bead, then eventually you're going to be welding with your eyes closed.
Here at Sheridan College, we have a unique hands-on approach. We'll start in the classroom, we'll lay a solid foundation, and then we jump right into the machines. It's beneficial to the students because they get to apply their foundations they learn in the classroom to a real-life shop floor setting.
Your first couple weeks, you start out in the classroom. Everyone has to go through some basic safety training. But after that first 2 or 3 week period, you're in the shop every day, multiple hours a day. You're not just sitting in a classroom staring at a whiteboard.
I feel like the welding program is definitely helping me get used to the workplace and the work ethic here in the shop, because we definitely treat it like it is an actual job site.
We spend over half of the time on site, being able to see how a job site works, get the hands-on experience, get the use of the tools, takes away that little bit of uneasiness as a new carpenter.
The CTE program has smaller class sizes, which is great because you can get that one-on-one learning you want.
One thing we're really proud of is the instructor to student ratio, where we can spend more one-on-one time with the student. They don't have to wait to ask questions, and we're always right there for them.
Getting the hands-on work with somebody that knows what they're doing is super important. That way you can become confident with the tools, with the processes. All of the correction happens immediately.
When students graduate from our CTE program, they're going to show up on time, they're going to be willing to work, and they're going to have the critical thinking skills to get the job done.
The one thing that this program has given me is problem-solving skills. There might be one problem, but you can always get over it and then figure out how to actually get it done.
The CTE program has opened up many opportunities, from job offers to interpersonal connection with my teachers and fellow students. I know I have a bright future ahead of me.